A trip to the Philippines is never complete without visiting Subic Bay. Surrounded by mountains and blessed with a natural deep harbor, Subic Bay is home to a lot of rich natural resources. The Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, or SBMA, has successfully transformed Subic Bay from a military base into a tax and duty-free zone, making it the Philippines' first and largest free port. A premier destination, Subic Bay accommodates people of all ages. Subic Bay is one huge playground, a unique mix of high-quality resorts, first-class beaches, wildlife, and industrial parks. A host of attractions and activities await at Subic Bay. The unique parks and recreational facilities in Subic Bay make it the theme park capital of the Philippines. Surrounded by deeply forested mountains, you can enjoy exploring nature in Subic Bay. You can fly off to newer and higher peaks of excitement across breathtaking panoramic views of the rainforest. Or learn indigenous skills and jungle survival from Subic Bay's local community of Itas, who are more than happy to share their culture and traditions like bamboo-cooked meals, herbal concoctions, and tribal dance rituals. Take a spiritual journey through hillsides and forests of life-size biblical scenes. Or have educational fun indoors through unique learning activities for the young and the young at heart. Subic Bay is a haven for a wide range of animal species in Asia. Experience one-of-a-kind encounters with wild and exotic animals in their natural habitat. Subic Bay is also a place to discover aquatic animals like turtles, sea lions, and dolphins. An open marine park stands at the foot of a rainforest, providing spectacular shows in Subic Bay's waters. Go further, and you can dive into clear blue waters and swim along these majestic creatures. A breathtaking underwater world awaits divers, from coral reefs bustling with life to sunken ships filled with history. Above water, Subic Bay's beaches bring fun and enjoyment to families and friends, with a wide array of water sports and activities to choose from. To some, simply relaxing at the beachfront is more than enough. Subic Bay is your green destination and is open for anyone who wants to appreciate nature. Wander around jungles of Subic Bay and witness its breathtaking view. Take a swing at the golf course, beautifully carved alongside a rainforest. Subic Bay's mangroves offers a peaceful experience and is home to a collection of plants and flowers. Birdwatching is a highly recommended activity in Subic Bay. Be sure to look around for these colorful winged creatures only found in Subic. Subic Bay has a range of historical sites and modern-day landmarks rich in Philippine culture. You can take a stroll at any of the parks or jog around the sports complex. For those looking for an adrenaline rush, Subic Bay hosts a large array of heart-pumping sports activities. Its excellent natural and man-made sites are a favorite of sports organizers and athletes alike, as Subic Bay caters to runners and triathletes of all ages and nationalities. Your safety and security are primary concerns at Subic Bay. Subic Bay's rescue team is quick and ready to respond to emergencies of all kinds. Subic Bay also has access to modern healthcare facilities. Subic Bay features a prime business district that caters to everyone's needs. Whether you're into networking or looking for a place to meet and converge, Subic Bay has the perfect facilities for you. Subic Bay's leisure area is dotted with restaurants, serving a variety of menus to satisfy every palate. And of course, duty-free shopping remains to be one of Subic Bay's top attractions, which people always look forward to. Subic Bay's nightlife adds even more color and excitement at the end of the day, as you groove to live music or meet Lady Luck at the casinos. Stay in Subic Bay for a day or a weekend or even longer. Various accommodations fit every budget or purpose. What you get in Subic Bay is the best of all possible worlds, assuring a great time all the time. The Subic Bay experience is unlike any other. A perfect getaway and a perfect place to create lasting memories. It's more fantastic in Subic Bay! My Subic Bay.